Wow. Not bad for $6 and 5 minutes in a Goodwill, huh? What up? Good morning. It is Monday. What the heck's today's date? The 22nd. Man, I can't believe June is almost over already. That's crazy, man. Life is just going by so fast right now. I feel like, you know, 2020 is half over. What the heck? Where did the time go, you know? Hope everybody had a wonderful sales weekend. I have 13 orders going out, I believe. We had some stuff go out on Amazon FBA. So it was a pretty good little weekend. On my way right now to go hit a thrift store. If I find anything in there, I'll take you guys with me and I'll show you what I get. I really shouldn't be sourcing right now because I have so much stuff, but you guys understand. You guys understand. It's just this itch. You gotta go out, you gotta dig, you gotta find, and I don't know what it is, but I just can't stop finding stuff. Holy crap.
I had 3 houses full of stuff.
All right, so I just got out of the store and the only thing that I found were these Jordans, which are really, really nice. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna look them up because I'm curious to see what these go for. I didn't even look, to be honest. I just kind of shot at the hip with these. But so with Jordans and Nikes, what you can do is you can essentially look for the tag, which is all the way down there, and there's going to be a number on there, and you can essentially search Nike or Jordan and then put that number in, and that'll help you a lot with finding comps and what the shoe is worth. So let's do that right now. Let's put in Jordan 136027 602. Wow. Not bad for $6 and 5 minutes in a Goodwill, huh? Now let's maybe look for that specific size as well, because sizes do matter. It's a size 8.5. Dude, a size 8.5? I mean, these had the box, but 175 used plus 15 shipping. That's dope. That is dope. I'll be happy if I can get anywhere close to that, dude. Here's another one for, oh wait, this is a size 14, so that doesn't count, but that's a good sign, you guys. That's awesome. These are a great find today. That's why you gotta go in, man, because you never know. You never know. You never know what you're gonna find. Some people say, oh, don't go to the same thrift store twice within 2 days because you just went there yesterday, so you already found all the good stuff. Well, what if that pair of shoes was put out early this morning? I never would have got that pair of shoes then. Somebody else would have got them. You best believe somebody else would have came and got those shoes. All right, you guys, we're back in the storage unit and we're getting orders ready to be pulled. First thing I'm pulling is this Ford jacket. I got this for like $6 at a Goodwill. I think it sold for like $60 or $65 on Poshmark. I'm getting 52 of it. I like Poshmark because I don't have to mess with any of the shipping and stuff, you know? There's no really guessing or anything like that. Not that it's that difficult with eBay, but it just makes your life a little bit easier, you know? This is what it looks like. Put it out in the light so you guys can actually see it. It's pretty cool though. I like it. Sold these baby pajamas, or toddler pajamas, for $14.99 free shipping. Jordan had these lying around, so we just decided, you know what, we're gonna get rid of these. These were not for us. We weren't expecting. These were for a baby shower that she never ended up getting to go to, and then we moved and a bunch of stuff happened and blah, blah, blah. We also sold this video game, this Rampage video game, PlayStation 2. I sold it for $9.99 free ship. This is probably part of a bulk deal that I bought, like maybe last summer or something like that. So I have like next to nothing into it because I've already made my money back on all of that stuff. So that's just free money. So I'd be lying if I said that I didn't have to shut the camera off to go and find all of this stuff, because honestly, I did forget where a couple of these things were. And I went through the entire storage unit like 2 or 3 times, hence the sweat. This one was the trickiest to find because I really put this in a stupid spot, but I sold this for $14.99. It's just this little set of like poker dice, I guess, to play poker with. But I got this in my bulk box, actually, that I did an unboxing for. So this finally sold. I spent $70 on the entire box of stuff, and I've sold some, you know, good chunk of the stuff already, and I think I've made my money back on it at this point. So $14.99 for this. We've got some Trident ankle weights for like scuba diving. I sold these for $34.99. I bought these at a Goodwill for like $5 or $6. Sold another puzzle for $34.99. If you guys watched my previous video, I kind of explained to you my whole deal with the puzzles and all of that good jazz. I don't want to go too much into them because they're kind of not proprietary, but like they're mine. So don't steal my idea. Sold a copy of Full Alchemist 2 for $19.99. This is another one of those video games that were in a bulk deal for me, so I don't have very much into it at all. Just a quick 20 bucks. We've got a canvas painting kit. This was $12.99, and I think I got this in a lot of stuff at an auction, so I don't think I have anything into this either, so this is just free money. An ice shot glass maker. You basically fill up these little molds with water and you freeze it, and it makes these little ice shot glasses that you can take shots with, obviously. So I sold this for $19.99. Again, I think this was either from the bulk box or this was from a lot of stuff that I got in an auction. Either way, at this point, it's free money, so I don't really care. I did sell this really cool neon sign. I bought it for 10 bucks on Marketplace last summer, and I finally sold it. It's for El Jimador Tequila. I'll show you guys a picture of what it looks like, but I sold it for $110 free ship. And that's back at my apartment hanging up. So unfortunately, I have to part ways with it. As much as I enjoyed it, it's time for it to go. We sold an Oasis power supply. This sold for $30 free ship. I actually bought an electronic drum kit at auction a few weeks back, maybe like a month and a half ago at this point, for like $27.50. And it had some technical problems with it. It needed a new like central nervous system board. The brain, if you will, where all the drums plug into. So what I ended up doing was I sold the old one that didn't work for parts, and I think I got 30 or 35 bucks for that or something like that. And then I also sold this for $30, and then the new brain and the new one of these, the power cable, I think I bought for like 100 bucks. So I have that drum set for probably like around $100, give or take, and it's like a $400 drum set. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to drum around on it, but this was just a great way for me to kind of liquidate some of the old parts and get some money back. Sold this Thomas and Friends Muffle Mountain train set. This is actually a pretty rare set. I got this at auction for, I think I got this and another set of kids' toys for like $5. I stole it. I knew that I did, because nobody really knew what it was when I bought it, you know. Those are the best deals. But anyway, I had it up for $160, and I had a woman message me, oh, plus shipping, by the way. I had a woman message me, you know, giving me a story that it was her son's birthday and and she didn't really make it a sob story, but she was just kind of trying to butter me up a little bit. And obviously, I'm a big softie for the kids. I've done deals before in the past where I've discounted items of this nature with, like, you know, 100 plus buy cost, whatever you want to call it. And I got love for the kids, man, so I got to give them a good deal. And so he's going to enjoy this for his 7th birthday, and I'm really excited to send this to him. So this is not only a good deal for me to make money, but also it makes me feel good because I was able to help somebody out and get them a birthday gift that they wouldn't have been able to get in the store. They can only really get it through us, you know, so that's really cool. And then last but not least, we got this red lightsaber from 2004. We sold this for $19.99. It doesn't light up or anything or make sounds. It's just like one that you would get your kids so they can whack the crap out of each other or whatever the case may be. Sold this for $19.99. I paid $1 for it at a Goodwill. So I have another one of these too. It's a blue one, and it's up there, I believe, for the same price. But I mean, for $1, you can't beat it, you know what I mean? And so that's all that sold today, you guys. So I remember in my last video that I said I was gonna go home and organize all of that stuff. Haven't done it yet. So I'm going to go home and start doing that after I process all of these orders and get these shipped out. And I'm gonna make another video about traveling and how you can get some things for free, which is great if, you know, if you've been itching to take a vacation, maybe you haven't ever taken a vacation, just because the cost of taking one is, I get it, you know what I mean? But I did find a way for you guys to get to some places for, if not free, very, very close to free. And it's just a matter of putting in some effort on your part. So stay tuned for that. And then I'm also gonna start working on a how to start selling on eBay video. It's not gonna be a full in-depth eBay tutorial, but if you're a new person trying to get into this, or maybe you got some stuff laying around that you just wanna sell so that you can take a trip or pay some bills or whatever the case may be, that's gonna basically show you how to start that process. So stay on the lookout for that. I appreciate you guys tuning in thus far. I hope your sales were great this weekend, and I will talk to you all very soon.